Hola mi gente, welcome back to the channel. My name is Sean and this is We Are Investing, a channel that's dedicated in investing and personal finance. What we are going to be covering on today's video is how to paper trade options. Robinhood just updated the application and now you can paper trade options on Robinhood. So that's what we're going to talk about on today's video. I'm going to show you how to paper trade options on the Robinhood application. We're going to do it on an Android device, but the process is going to be the same if you are using an iPhone. What is paper trading? Well, paper trading allows you to practice strategies. In this case, you are going to be able to practice option strategies on Robinhood. You don't have to use any of your real money. It's all paper money. That's why it's called paper trading. But you will be able to monitor a trade to see if you would have lost money or made money, how much money you would have made, or how much money you would have lost. Why options, and why should somebody learn how to trade options? Well, the reason being is it provides so much flexibility and the risk to reward ratios are just so much better with options. Depending on what kind of trader or investor you might want to be, you can use basic options trading strategies just like buying calls and buying puts. It allows you to capitalize on the upside and downside on stocks. You can search for income and become an income investor and sell covered calls, poor man's covered calls, or cash secured puts like we do a lot on this channel. I love searching for yield and using options to do so. You can get even more fancy and trade spreads like call debit spreads or call credit spreads, put debit spreads, put credit spreads. You can do iron condors. There are a lot of options trading strategies out there. It provides you a ton of flexibility. And whatever kind of investor or trader you want to be ultimately at the end, options will provide you with the tools needed to excel in that position. So, needless to say, I am a huge fan of trading options. And this video is going to help you get started as a beginner because you're going to be paper trading options. So, you don't have to put any of your own money at risk just yet. Now, you can get a free stock when you sign up with Robinhood by using the referral link down below in the video description, and I'll put it at a pinned comment. When you use that referral link, you can get up to $200 in free stocks in Robinhood. Let's get started. How to paper trade options on Robinhood. Now, this channel has a video playlist regarding many things on Robinhood. So if you want to learn some other functions and how to do some other things with options trading or just stock trading on this app, then I definitely recommend that you check out that playlist. I'll also throw up a link at the top of the screen, either here or here. I can't remember which side it pops up on. But let's get started. Let's paper trade options on Robinhood. So the first thing obviously is we need to search for an option. So we can pick any stock. I'm just going to pick Apple because it's a very popular stock. Next up, we need to go to the options chain. And this is very easy. All you do is hit trade on the bottom right, and then you're going to hit trade options. Now, with paper trading options, it's very basic. It's geared towards somebody who's learning how to get started options trading. So you're not going to be able to do spreads or any other options trading strategy. So to paper trade options, you're either going to do call options or put options. A call option is when you think the stock is going to go up. A put option is when you think the stock is going to go down. The process is going to be the same for both cases. What else you need to decide is the expiration date. At what date does this option expire? And at what date do you want to get to that price that you determine in that call option or put option? So we're not going to dive into how to select options. I just want to show you how to actually paper trade. So we're at Apple right now. We are going to say that we think the stock is going to go up. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick the January 20th, 2023 expiration date for this stock. At the top of my screen, you can see that I have buy, sell, I have buy selected, call, put, I have put selected. What I want to do is I want to switch that over to a call option. Now, this is how you paper trade options in Robinhood. You select the strike and expiration that you want to paper trade. Let's say that we want to buy an out of the money call option for the $180 strike that expires on January 20th of 2023. To paper trade it, it's very easy. All you do is double click on it. As you can see, when I double clicked on the option, we got a notification down below that it was added to my watch list. Before we head over to the watch list, let's pick a different stock and let's paper trade a put option. So I'm going to search for another stock. I'm going to pick IBM. I'm going to click on that. I'm going to hit trade, trade options. I'm going to pick the same expiration date, January 20th, 2023. I'm going to buy a put option. The current share price is $137.92. Let's say that I'm going to buy an out of the money put option. So I'm going to do the $130 put. We just double click on it and you can see that it was added to our watch list. Next up, I want to show you how to sell a cash secured put. So I'm going to pick another stock. In this case, I'm going to pick Ford Motor. I'm going to hit trade, trade options. We're doing a cash secured put. I'm going to pick June 3rd. We are going to then sell a put option. And I'm going to do something that is out of the money. I'm going to do the $14 put and I'll double click that. Then the last thing that I'm going to show you is how to sell a call option. This would be like doing a covered call or a poor man's covered call if you had 100 shares, or a leap option with a high delta. So what we're going to pick is we're going to pick another stock. I'm going to do AMD. I'm going to hit trade, trade options. I'm going to pick June 3rd. Now I'm going to hit sell call, and it wants to be out of the money for a covered call. I'll pick the $95 strike. I'll double click on that and it's added to my watch list. Now, if you head back to the home screen and you scroll down and you go to your list, you will see that you have an options watch list. This is where you can monitor the options that you got into to determine if they are successful or not. When you click on one of these options, for now, let's click on that IBM put option that we bought, and you scroll down, you'll get some information on your position, like how many contracts you have open, the current price, the cost when added, the market value, the date that you added this option to your watch list, the expiration date, the break-even price, the current price of the stock, today's returns, the total returns. You can also take a look at the stats, what the bid and the ask is, what the low is, what volume is, what open interest is, the Greeks, delta, gamma, theta, vega, and rho. You get all that information on this screen here. And if you want to take a look at the stock again, all you have to do is click View IBM down below. It is at your home screen and this list, the options watch list, where you can take a look at the contracts that you have active right now in your portfolio. These are paper trades. They're not going to actually impact your total P&L, but you will be able to monitor and see how this position would have performed if you did buy that option. It's very basic. You can't determine the price that you get into the option. It's just going to assume the mid price. So that in a nutshell is how you paper trade options on Robinhood. It's very simple. All you do is search the stock, head to the options chain, and double click on whatever option you are looking to get into. Whether it's buying a put option, buying a call option, selling a put option, which would be doing a cash secured put, or selling a call option, which would be doing a covered call or a poor man's covered call, you will get to see how those positions would work out. Now, if you have any questions, comment down below. Also, if you have any video recommendations, any topics you would like me to cover in future videos, please comment down below as well. Also know that this channel does have a Patreon. It's $5 a month. It gives you access to a private Discord server of over 500 investors, where every single day we are trying to identify trading and investing opportunities in the stock market. It is through that private Discord server, which you get access through the Patreon, where I post whenever I buy or sell a stock or option or do anything with my portfolio. Other members are also transparent and they will post whenever they buy or sell a stock or an option. It's a community where we learn together, grow together, and make money together. A link is provided down below. Outside of that, hit that subscribe button, ring that bell, and smash that like button if you want to get notified for future videos and you like content regarding the stock market. With that being said, it's a wrap. I'll catch you on the next video. It's been real. It's been fun. It's been real fun. And this is We Are Investing, and together we are invincible. See ya.